Atlas friends, Miss Courtney here. Happy December. We have a brand new theme with fun new projects. So today we are going to unbag everything, talk about what the projects are going to be, but in this video there's only going to be one project that we'll cover. So between the bag and what I'm wearing, can you guess the theme? It is for the holidays, but our theme is totally edible. It is a food month. So let's carefully unbag our new A.T.L.A.S bag. Your grown-ups have probably already picked this up for you from the reference desk. Otherwise, if you're not able to get one, most of the stuff that we have in here is at home and you can just make from home with watching these videos. So the first thing that we have is an edible cookie hanger for a mug. So that's the project that we're actually going to be doing today. The second one are mini gingerbread houses. So that project we'll be doing in 2 weeks together. The other thing is the flat Miss Courtney. Here's the information about our new A.T.L.A.S program, the days and times that it's going to be dropped on YouTube, along with my email address. I am loving all the emails that I'm getting with the pictures of you guys doing the projects at home. It makes my day. Since I can't see you guys in person and I miss you a lot, it feels like you guys are here with me and doing the projects. I'm loving them. So continue to share them. I appreciate it tons. So also in this bag, we have our brand new button for December. And then we have this little tub. This is frosting. And then we have 2 bags here. All right, so this bag is our edible cookie hanger for the mugs. This is the project we're going to be working on today. This one filled with all the goodies. This is for our mini gingerbread house. So we'll save this one for 2 weeks. Okay, so now that everything has been unbagged, we can start with our very first project. And that is our edible cookie hanger for mugs. So let's go ahead and open the bag together. In this bag, it shows what we have as well. It shows, first of all, these edible cookie hangers make great gifts and drink tags for celebrations, perfect for hot chocolate, coffee, tea, or even hot apple cider. So included is what we have here, and that is the gingerbread cookie and a mini candy cane, as well as the vanilla frosting. This wasn't in the bag because we're using this frosting for both this project and the mini gingerbread house. So make sure that you save this for 2 weeks from now. Melting chocolate. So this bag with the red things, that's just melting chocolate. It's white chocolate that's colored. And then a popsicle stick. So what you need to provide is a small bowl that you're going to melt the chocolates in. So the first step is to remove the mini candy cane from the package. So go ahead and you can take the candy cane out of the package. Be very careful so that it doesn't break. I was really careful when putting these in the bags to make sure that no one had any kind of a broken candy cane. Step 2 is you're going to put a small strip of frosting on the back of the candy cane. So I've got my popsicle stick, I've got the little bit of frosting, and I'm going to put it on the back of the candy cane. So the frosting sort of acts like a glue. And now you're going to put it on the opposite side of where the hook is going to overhang the mug. So if you take a look at the picture, the gingerbread goes on the mug with the candy cane kind of hooking it. It goes on the outside of the mug. So I'm going to take my gingerbread, turn him around, and stick the candy cane right to the top like that. Just be careful, it's not glued yet. That's just sort of holding it in place. All right. On the back, step 3, you're going to place the candy cane on the back of the cookie with the hook facing out like we just did. All right. Step 4, with the help of your grown-up, melt those little white chocolates, the red ones. You're going to melt them in a microwave-safe bowl. Just be very careful. These burn really easily and they stink. So the white chocolate, once we melt this, gets all very soft, and then once it's cold it turns into this solid again. So this is truly what holds the candy cane to the cookie. This is truly our glue that's going to keep it sort of permanent. After you're done microwaving it, you're going to use the opposite side of your popsicle stick. So take that chocolate, the red chocolate, and you're going to cover the outside of your person. So I placed it on right there. All right, so now I'd like you to place it in the fridge. You can place it in there for a few minutes. This helps that melted chocolate get nice and hard again and totally stick to the cookie. So keep it in there for a few minutes. Once it's finished in the fridge, the cookie should be ready to give as a gift. So if this is it totally done, you can give it as a gift, or you can use it to hang on your favorite mug with your favorite beverage. So I have mine here. I actually have hot tea in my mug. See how cute that is? Awesome, way to go, guys. I hope this was easy and fun for you. You can keep this for yourself. You can give it as a gift. But I will see you guys in 2 weeks for our next project. Bye, guys.